Hello everyone, my name is Ku Muhammad Amjad bin Kunaim. I currently study in Bachelor Muamalat Administration with honor. I'm very happy to join this subject and I hope this class will give me new experience and knowledge. I come from Ambangan Heights, Sungai Petani, Kedah. After I finish my SPM, I continue my study with STPM at Sekolah Menengah Kebahasaan Seberang Perak Alustar Kedah because I believe it was a faster pass away to a degree and also more cost saving. During my STPM journey, I worked hard and Alhamdulillah I was awarded the Dean's Award with a CGPA of 3.59. The experience taught me the importance of consistent discipline and believing in myself. In my free time, I love to travel, take pictures of sunset, and spend time in nature. This hobby helped me to relax, enjoy the moment, and appreciate the beauty around me. Besides that, I also interested in learning more about soft skill and technology, especially about artificial intelligence, since it's become more important in our daily life and future career. A fun fact about me is that I love to travel and explore new places. I really enjoy the green scenery and nature activity. Being in nature make me feel calm, relaxed, and more motivated. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in class.